Okay, so in this video we're going to look at a cross-section of a meander. A meander, of course, is a natural bend in the river's channel. So let's say that this was our river, there's our meanders, and we are going to draw a cross-section through this bend here. So this will be point A and this will be point B. So what I'm going to essentially do is draw the channel running from point A through to point B, and it would look just like this. Okay, there we go. So we've got point A here, there, and this would be point B. So of course this side of the river, this would be the outside bend, and over here in point A we would have the inside bend. Now the reason the shape of the channel is different on side A and side B is due to the volume of water on each of the opposing sides. So over here, on the outside bend, the flow of the water is much faster. Over here, the flow of the water is much slower. So let's go to the outside bend. Now, the speed of the water, the velocity of the water, is what determines how much energy and how much erosion is taking place. So because the water is faster going around that outside bend, we're going to have a higher level of lateral and vertical erosion. Obviously, lateral is erosion on the side, the river banks, and vertical is going down on the riverbed. Hydraulic action and abrasion will be the types of erosion taking place on this point. So of course this fast flow leading to this erosion is going to push the river out this direction and down, making it wider and deeper on point B. We have an overhang riverbank here, where erosion's taking place, and obviously this leaves the riverbank here overhanging. It's also worth pointing out that obviously this side is going to be much deeper with higher levels of erosion. Now over here where the flow is slower, there's a slower velocity, this is going to lead to a build-up of sediment, deposition, where the flow isn't strong enough to carry the sediment that's being transported down, so therefore it ends up being deposited. Now of course this side of the river is much more shallow due to this build-up of deposition. Let's write erosion over here as well. So there you go. So if you cut the river in half at the point of a meander, this is what it would look like, the shape, the river channel shape inside. So point A, on the inside bend, the water's slower, so we get a build-up of deposition, resulting in the river being shallower at point A. If you move across to point B, the flow is greater, higher velocity, leading to higher rates of erosion, hydraulic action and abrasion. And this makes this side much deeper because it's pushing the river channel to the side and vertically. We also get an overhang there. So there you are, there's a cross section of a meander.